Today we are talking about Mann and Whitney. That's a statistical ranking test method. So a brief description about that. It's a non-parametric statistical methods. That is the non-parametric alternative to the t-test. The t-test is a parametric one. Here it analyzes the degree of separation between control and experimental group. So non-parametric means the distribution is not normal. It's not in a bell curve. So we calculate U and U dash. We call it U dash, and that's calculated for two groups, and that the addition of that will be equal to N1 N2. That is number uh, of variables of group 1 and number of variables of group 2, product of that. So we'll do a quick calculation of this small problem here. So group 1 and group 2 data, we'll quickly sum up group 1 and group 2 data, where n is not equal to n1 is not equal to n2. So I have purposely kept n and n1 and n2 separately so that we can understand the procedure well. So it's a ranking method. So group 1 we'll write in a separate column, group 2 we wrote in a separate column. In front of group 1 we did R1, in front of group 2 we did R2. So R1 is the rank 1, that is for group 1, R2 is the rank 2, that is for group 2. So we start the ranking from ascending in an ascending order. So the lowest number is 10, so we started 10 as 1. After that the second number was 12, so the ranking of 12 will be 2. So similarly we reached till 44 with the ranking of 12. Now 46 will be the ranking of 13. Then similarly we did the ranking of all the numbers. 63 will be ranking of 16, and the last ranking will be 17. So now what we need to do is we need to make a sum total of ranking 1 of group 1 and sum total of ranking 2 of group 2. You can use a calculator to do an addition of it. Okay, so here the sum of rank 1 is 65, where n1 is equal to 8. Sum of rank 2 is equal to 88 and n2 is equal to 9. So n1 is not equal to n2 here. Now I'll quickly explain you how to calculate the Mann and Whitney method. So we will look for the lower u number. So if I calculate u, it will be, the formula will be n1 n2 plus n1. So this is for group 1, so we are taking n1 multiplied by n1 plus 1 divided by 2, and we'll subtract the sum of ranking 1 from this total. Now putting up the value of n1 n2, 8 multiplied by 9, and now putting the value of n. Now subtract what we got as a sum of ranking 1. So after the calculation we'll get these results. So you can use your calculator, you can pause the video, use your calculator and do the calculation on your own so that you can understand how it's going. So the value of u for group 1 comes up as 43. So we'll note 43 as U. So the value of U was 43. Now we will calculate the value of U dash. That will be for the group 2. Formula will be same. The only difference will be that previously we took N1 multiplied by N1 plus 1. Here I will take N2 because this we are doing for group 2, and then we will subtract the sum total of ranking 2 from the total. So putting up the value as we did previously, so N1 N2 will be 8 multiplied by 9. And like this similar method, this is very easy method. So 72 and all the numbers that you can pause the video and I'll advise you to calculate it on your own with the help of a calculator. So the number comes up as 29. So we'll write U dash as 29 here, that U plus U dash is equal to N1 N2. If it is equal to that, that means our calculation was right. Next method is to do the significance testing. So here we will consider the lower number. So we will consider 29 for the significance testing of Mann and Whitney. So we are done with this easy problem. I hope it was helpful.